Hey, what's up, Strad fam? Welcome back. Guys, first see this story posted by Stradman. Is Stradman selling his Aventador? Stay till the end to find out. As you guys know, Stradman sold his Lamborghini Urus, C8 Corvette, and the Porsche Safari. Now the question arises, is Stradman selling his Aventador? Stradman has the best sounding V12s in his car collection, and he is hinting his next V12. But first, here is the clear photo of Stradman's Instagram story. According to me, Stradman is not selling the Aventador. So guys, tell your thoughts in the comments section.